Hey guys, I'm really excited to announce our latest product, Aqua Tray. These are acrylic trays that come in 2 sizes, and they're great for shooting anything with water, makeup, things that get messy. It contains everything, and we're gonna show you some really creative ways how to use this. Whether you need to create a poolside scene for a suntan lotion product, or you're creating a full beach scene with water and waves using a blow dryer, we're gonna show you different techniques on how to do that. Make sure to check out some of our other videos. But it can literally do all of that, and that's what it's really created for. Now, the reason that we have 2 sizes is because sometimes when you're filling up water, you don't need, and you're shooting a smaller product, you don't need so much space, so it makes more sense to use less water and use a smaller size for that. But the bigger size is great for bigger scenes and more products, and you can also use these things for video. You can shoot top down, you can light it nicely, and get some really, really great video. And I highly recommend these things. We've been playing around with them for the last month or 2, and we created some really, really incredible images with them. We're gonna be putting out a lot of different tutorials on how to get creative. These are also great to work with duo boards. You can put the duo board underneath and it creates a really, really nice background. And we've got some bluish duo boards that will create a nice seabed or pool type of look. You can also just use regular poster paper and get creative with that as well. So make sure you subscribe to us because we got more videos coming showing you really cool ways to use these. We'll see you in the next one.